If you are using a cracked version of Microsoft Office or having issues with activation, this might be the easiest and most affordable upgrade you do this year. Today we're going to go through how to get a lifetime version of Microsoft Office 2024. We're going to purchase it, download it, and install it. Now, a lot of people run into a lot of problems with Microsoft Office, namely activation errors or features just randomly stopping or just versions that are not stable. And this all comes down to not having a proper licensed copy of Office. Today's video is sponsored by mypckey.com, which is also the website we're going to be using to get these amazing deals. Now, if we had to just Google myPCKey, you'll see their Google rating is 4.9 with tons of positive reviews. Also, if we go one step further and check Trustpilot, they have a rating of 4.7, also with tons of positive reviews. If we even had to check Etsy, there's multiple completed purchases through them. So in this video, we're going to be testing out a legit solution. We're going to go through the purchase, the installation, and the activation of Microsoft Office. In addition to the super affordable prices they have for license keys on their website, make sure to follow along the video to find out how to get 15% off your purchase at checkout using this code XT15. So let's get straight into the purchase. You're going to go to mypckey.com, scroll a little bit down, you'll see Microsoft Office. In here, there'll be quite a few options to choose from, but the one we are looking for today is Office 2024. This is a lifetime license for one PC. Scrolling a little bit down, you'll see new users will get a 10% discount by applying the code myPCKey. I'm going to hit buy now, but if you want a little bit more than 10%, where it says click here to enter your code, enter the code XT15 and apply that coupon. That will give you 15% off on your purchase. So I'm just going to go and enter all my details in here. And then the payment method I'm going to use is PayPal. I'm going to select PayPal. I'm going to accept the terms and conditions, hit PayPal, and then just go through this process quickly of completing the purchase. Once that's done, you'll get confirmation and also an email confirmation with all of the same details, your license key, your order number, and all of that. Now, they've made it super easy for us by including an activation guide that you can download, and it'll have all the steps to download and activate your Office. If you already have Office installed on your PC, go to your control panel, uninstall program, find where your Microsoft Office is, whatever version that is, and uninstall that. Once you're done uninstalling Office, go back to the installation guide. Under step 2, there'll be a link. Click on that link, it'll have a little download. Download that and then open that file, and this will now start the installation of Office onto your PC. This will take a few minutes, let that complete. Once the installation is done, open up Microsoft Word. Open a blank document. If you are signed into an account automatically, go and sign out of that. Go to File and Account, and then change product key. If you still have the purchase page open, you can get the product key from there or from the email that they sent you. Copy that product key, take it over there to Word, paste it in, and click Activate Office. When you open up Word again, you'll get a pop-up, and then select I want to activate the software by telephone. Click that option, hit Next, and then open up your snipping tool, hit New, and take a snip of this pop-up window here. You're going to want to save this somewhere, name it whatever you want, but just save it somewhere that you'll remember. And go back to mypckey.com, click Get Confirmation ID. In the first field, you're going to get your order number that you can get from the email that they sent you. Copy and paste that into there. Then the billing email will be the one you entered when you were entering all your details at the checkout page. I'm also going to just copy and paste that from the email that they sent me. And then upload the screenshot that you took of that pop-up window. This will take a couple of seconds to give you confirmation, and then hit Get Confirmation ID. You'll then get these 8 blocks of numbers. Copy them one by one and paste them into those blocks on that pop-up window that you got in Word. Hit Next, and then you'll get confirmation that your Office is now activated. Close that, close Microsoft Word, and then open it up again. Go to File and Account, and then you'll see your product has been activated. Now, just to be sure, let's go ahead and open up Excel. Do the same thing, open up a blank document, go to File, Account, and just confirm that the product is activated. We're going to do it one more time. Let's open up Microsoft PowerPoint, blank presentation, go to File, go to Account, and confirm that the product is activated. So we now have a fully licensed version of Microsoft Office 2024 installed on our PC. Make sure to follow the video along step by step and don't skip any of the steps that were shown. If you get confused anywhere, go back to the activation guide that we downloaded earlier. The steps are really easy to follow. So don't miss out on the opportunity to get these super affordable prices for legit license keys. Go to mypckey.com and don't forget to use the code XT15 to get your 15% off at checkout. As usual, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.